Good morning everyone. Thanks for being here on our channel Guyanese Guyana. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon so you'll get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Today we're going to be making some Bara. So that's all the stuff we have here. You guys, we have the recipes. I'll be linking the recipes to the Bara as well. Alright guys, so we have 3 pounds of flour. We are making a lot of bars, as you can see. We have some poi bhaji, which we've washed and cut up already. We have the soaked split peas and some pepper, garlic. We got baking powder, salt, roasted ground jeera. This is a food coloring, yellow food coloring. Some yeast, shallot, garlic, and pepper. And that's all we're gonna be needing to put in our bar. So we're gonna get started with this, guys. So we've added a piece in there. We got scallions and garlic as well in this blender. We're gonna blend this up. So we're gonna add a bit of water. So that's the seasoning there, guys. And I think we're gonna grind some more dal. Alright guys, so we're ready to mix our bara now, and for the 3 pounds of flour, we are adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon yeast, instant yeast. Add some roasted ground jeera, some salt, and time for our yellow food coloring. And some coloring are very strong. So always try a little bit first and see if you need more. So this yellow stuff that we poured in there was the peas and the garlic, if you remembered, that we blended. And that's a little bit more peas that we blended. We thought we needed a bit more, so we just blended some more. Adding a little bit more coloring. So this is coming along nicely, guys. You see that? We're gonna have a nice yellow color to our bar. Alright guys, so we're gonna add some poi bhaji here now. Some main thing in your bar, right? Yes, and this is looking nice now, guys. So this is basically finished mixing, guys. Now we're gonna set this aside and leave it to rise. So we're gonna add some oil. So our oil is hot for the bara. So here we have set up that our oil, and we have our base to put in. Testing out the oil. So number 1 in. And this one is done. And look at these ones that are done. Looking yummy, right? Our basin's looking good already. Look at that. So guys, we are finally done. And here is our finished product. The Bara. Looking scrumptious, yummy as usual, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. All the recipes for these dishes that we cooked here is on our channel. I'll link them below. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. Click on the bell icon too so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.